So I'm getting ready to prepare this steam fish with okra, etc., etc. And of course, I have a seasoning. First, I'm gonna put some olive oil in this foil and some butter to prevent the fish from sticking. Well, it's time for me to mix up this seasoning together. A bit of water in it. Alright. And then I time to paint the red snappers. Yep, I'm doing some painting. I'm doing some painting, baby. Alright, let me get some paint on the inside. The painting of the red snapper. And I'm going to stuff as much as I can inside. Time to stuff them as much as it can hold. As much as it can hold inside of the gill. Alright. And then the rest I will just spread them around. Yep. A bit more painting to do here. Yep, so now it's all good and ready to go into the oven. And the oven is currently being preheated. Etc., etc. And I will be the painting. Alright, so this is it. All done. And it's ready to be eaten. Alright. Nice. Just turn off the oven. And it's dinner time.